Alright, so I'll be using the Crypto.com Ruby Steel card for around about 2 months, and here's what you need to know. What works with the card. So I used it for phone bills, so I got gift card. Used it for the phone bills, it works, and yeah. Spotify works, you can get refurbishment on all of it. So you basically getting paid for Spotify, right? And then here's how I did it. I put my details on the card. It's like any other thing you're gonna buy online, pretty much similar. Do that and it works. And also in stores, so I use it for grocery shopping in Asda, and yeah, it works like that. What doesn't work is wireless. I had to put my pin in. To find your pin, you go to the settings, put the code, password, tap on the card details, and then pin. What's your pin? Tells you your pin. That's how you know your pin. Memorize that, because it's a long process to find what your pin is. You don't want that, right? And also, I don't get why it works for like Spotify, and my phone bill, but yeah, I can't use it for Amazon or Apple Pay. Like, do you know, on the wallet, yeah, it doesn't allow you to put the card on there. And also when you're buying on the Apple website, it doesn't work. It just doesn't allow the card to go through. That's what doesn't work with it, right? Just check your cash back on your products that you buy. You go here, yeah, follow that. It will be like in the rewards, and you'll see how much you got cash back. When you do the Spotify one, it won't tell you your reward. It will just, you'll go onto what you buy. It says refurbishment on the side. Time to open it. Oh, who's ready? Oh. Alright. Dun 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 dun. Alright, so let's see what I want. Oh, pow! Anyways, man, I've been anticipating this, bro. 30 days for this. Get a card, and you get a hexagon banger. Yeah, so see. Ooh, and dun 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 dun. Oh, banger. Hey, gang shit. Hello. Jeez, this thing looks hard, man. If you want to check out my Crypto.com review, it will be this side. I think, I don't know, it will be up there, you know. And yeah, like and subscribe. You feel I'm out.